Nothing makes you notice a shower door faster than the problems it causes. Tracks filled with soap scum, frames that trap grime, glass that's harder to clean than expected. Hi, I'm Curtis from Bytown Better Baths and Showers, and today I'll help you figure out whether framed or frameless glass shower doors are actually the right choice for your space based on your budget, your layout, and how you use your bathroom every day. When it comes to choosing a glass shower door, most of you are usually deciding between two main options. And the first one you're probably seen before is a frame shower door. This option is traditional, where the glass is supported by a metal frame around the edges. That frame adds structure, keeps everything stable, and usually includes a track system that helps the door slide or pivot. Now, one of the biggest reasons why homeowners go with a frame door is that they're more budget friendly. Many come in standard sizes, so if you're renovating a typical shower space, it's often a practical and cost-effective option. They also feel solid. The frame reinforces the glass, so there's less movement when the opening and closing of the door. In some cases, you can even add features like slow closing systems, which are great for busy households. But there are trade-offs. That same frame and track system will create small crevices where soap scum and grime tend to build up. So over time, cleaning can take a bit more effort. And visually, frame doors can feel slightly bulkier, especially in smaller bathrooms. Now on the other side, you got the frameless shower door, which have become popular in modern renovations. Instead of a full metal frame, these use thicker tempered glass with their minimal hardware, such as just hinges, clips, or support bands. The biggest advantage here is the look. Frameless doors instantly make your bathroom feel more open, clean, and high-end. There are few visual barriers, so even small bathrooms can feel bigger and less cramped. They're also easy to clean, since they have fewer tracks and edges and fewer places for buildup to hide, which is something a lot of homeowners really appreciate long term. But again, there are trade-offs. Frameless doors typically come at a higher upfront cost, mainly because they're thicker glass and custom hardware. And since the panels are heavier, they need to be handled properly to avoid slamming or wear over time. So the real question is, which one actually makes sense for your bathroom? If you're working with a standard shower layout, trying to stay within budget, or even dealing with existing holes or imperfections in your current setup, a frame shower door might actually make more sense. But if your goal is to create a modern and upgraded bathroom, something that feels open, clean, and more custom, then frameless shower doors are usually the right direction. And naturally, it brings up the question, which adds more value long term? In general, bathrooms that feel modern, open, and low maintenance tend to stand out more to buyers. So frameless designs can give you that edge visually. But value isn't about just looks, it's also about function. So a well-installed frame shower door that fits the space properly can still perform incredibly well and last for years. And this is exactly why having the right guidance makes all the difference. That's why at Bytown Better Baths and Showers, we don't just jump straight into recommending one option. We look at how you actually use your bathroom and then guide you towards a solution that makes the most sense for your home. Because at the end of the day, the right shower door isn't about trends, it's about what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more bathroom renovation tips.